Turning ideas into digital reality.
Subscribe, like, and share.
So now we can download and install the Flutter SDK. And the situation is that when you install the Flutter SDK, it automatically installs the data SDK. But when you install the data SDK, the Flutter SDK does not install automatically. So here we will choose to install the Flutter SDK. So search for flutter.dev and come to the Get Started section. Now choose the platform, which is Windows over here. Now, if it doesn't download automatically, you install Flutter manually. So you then come to the side, then click on the to download the zip file. Because I have it, I won't download it again, so I'll pause it. So the next thing is to install the Flutter SDK. So what you have to do is to come to your local disk, and the installation can be done in any folder over here except the program files. So what I did was I created a folder called Flutter and copied the zip file inside. So you first extract the zip file to get this folder, which is called Flutter. Then you open the Flutter and also open the bin file inside it. Then you come to copy the address right here, which is to right click and copy the address. Now we want to add it to the we want to add the path to our environment. So search for environment, then click on the environment variables, then choose path, then click on new, then click on edit and I click on edit. So over here you click on new, then you paste it, get it, then click on OK, OK, OK. Now you confirm that you successfully installed it. You open command prompt and input Flutter doctor. Flutter has been successfully installed. But for you, Android Studio won't be installed and we won't need it for now. So when it's time for us to use it, we will install.
Subscribe, like, and share.